Jai Hind students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to start the chapter The Earth in the Solar System. In the first module, first of all, we will talk about solar system, and before talking about solar system, we will talk about several other elements which we find on the sky. In the night sky, we generally see a lot of objects, but always we have a question mark about all those objects. So today we will study about this. Now if we talk about galaxy, so first of all, if we talk about galaxy is the gravitational bound system between stars, stellar remnant, interstellar gas, dust and dark matters. If we take the example of galaxy, so Milky Way or Akash Ganga in Hindi, we can easily find this is an example of galaxy. A galaxy is actually a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and the gases, and these are actually there are millions of such galaxies that make one universe. Now if we talk about celestial bodies, you might have, as I said, that while slipping like under the sky, we generally we have a several question, like you may wonder that why can't we see moon and all those bright tiny objects during the daytime. The reason behind the bright light of the sun doesn't allow us to see all these bright objects in the of the night sky. The sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are actually the celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which they emit in large amounts, and these celestial bodies are called star. Sun is also a star. One more question that always arises, that why sun appears very large to us whereas the other stars we can see just as a tiny dot. So sun is the closest star which we have, understood, and other stars, if we talk about, if they are very far, there is a huge distance, that is the reason we can't see them, we can only see the tiny dots. Now if we talk about celestial bodies, generally stars, they have their own lights, own heat and light. Example, already we have sun. And other celestial bodies like the planets, they do not have their own light. Even moon is the natural satellite. Moon also gets its light from sun. Planets, the word, there is another question, that why do we call it planet? The word we have got from Greek language, and planet means wanderer, and wanderer means which moves around somewhere, or there is a some, like we used to move around. So planets also move around in a fixed path around the sun. You must have seen North Star or Pole Star. There is a star in the night sky you will find which shine so brightly, means the brightest star you can say, and that brightest star always indicate the north direction, which is known as pole star. If you talk about the group of stars, sometime we can frame any object, we can frame animal, we can frame any bowl, anything, any object we can frame using those tiny dots, and these tiny dots are known as constellation. The group of stars, the different group of stars. Ursa Major, it's also one such example, or it is known as Big Bear. Then tail also, Saptarishi Mandal, Polaris, the brightest star in Ursa Minor, that also we can find, we can get. There are officially 88 group of stars. So there are other names that we will study, that we will discuss in the other modules and even in the other classes as well, as you will go in the higher classes. Pole star already we discussed, the North Star, the brightest star which we find in the night sky. Now if we talk about solar system, as we started, then the sun, 8 planets and satellites and the other celestial bodies such as asteroids and meteoroids, they form solar system. For detailed study, please stay tuned. In the second module, we will discuss more about solar system. So till then, goodbye, Jai Hind, stay safe, stay healthy.